Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database, Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 16. What is the difference between top and fetch next in the SQL Server?
In this session, we are going to discuss about the difference between top and fetch next functionalities in SQL Server database. We start with using top. Top is used to return a fixed number of rows from the result set. For example, to get top 3 expensive products from products table, we have a query: select top 3 product name, price from products, order by price DESC. Top is a quick and simple but not as a standard, whereas it works without order by, but order is not guaranteed. We have another way to get the top records by using offset and fetch next functionality. Offset fetch next is introduced in SQL Server 2012. This is the as is standard way, like in Oracle, Postgre and MySQL. To get a top 3 expensive products, we have a query by using offset and fetch next. That is, select product name, price from products, order by price DESC, offset 0 rows, fetch next 3 rows only. Here we are offsetting the rows from 0. That means from the beginning of the records we are going to fetch. Fetch next would be 3 records. We are fetching from record 1 to record 3. Offset fetch next requires order by. It supports pagination, skips rows plus fetch next rows. We'll see these things in example. Pagination example where fetch next is useful. Suppose you want to show data in pages like in website. For example, page 1, we need only 3 records. In such a scenario, we are offsetting the rows from 0 and fetching the next 3 rows only. For the second page, we want to fetch next 3 records. That is 4th, 5th and 6th records. Here we are offsetting 3 rows and fetching next 3 rows. That means we are fetching 4th, 5th and 6th record. And for page 3, we have to get 7, 8, 9 records. In such a way, we have to offset rows to 6 rows and we have to fetch next 3 rows only. See, in this way, we can offset the rows in a table from anywhere and we can fetch next any count of records. Here we are fetching for each page 3 records. We can fetch any number of records in that way. This is not possible with top alone. The pagination, fetching next 3 kind of things are not possible in top functionality. Let's discuss about the key differences between top and offset fetch next functionalities. Top is introduced in SQL Server 2000 version, whereas offset fetch next is introduced in the SQL Server 2012. Syntax simplicity. For top, it is very simple syntax, top 3, top 4, top 5, something like that. Whereas for offset fetch next, the syntax is slightly longer as we discussed. Standard compliance. Top is non-ANSI SQL. It is only for SQL Server. Whereas offset fetch next is ANSI standard. We can use the same functionality in Oracle, MySQL and other databases. Requires order by. Top requires order by. No, top doesn't require order by, but results will be unpredicted. Whereas offset fetch next requires order by, it's mandatory. Supports pagination. Top function doesn't support pagination, whereas offset fetch next functionality supports pagination. Use case. When we are going to use top and offset fetch next. If there is quick top enquiries to fetch top record, then we go for the top functionality. Whereas paging and ordered functions, ordered fetching is required, then we go for offset fetch next functionalities. Let's see top and offset fetch next functionalities practically in SSMS. SSMS is SQL Server Management Studio, and we are at demo at GKey database. Here we are creating a table like products with product ID, product name and price, and we are inserting these 7 records into the table. And 7 records got inserted. We'll see the data here by using select star from products table, and we have 7 products over here. And let's check the functionality here. This is the query that we have discussed in the previous slide. Select top 3 product name, price from products, order by price DESC. Why? Because we are fetching the records with topmost priced product. See, laptop is the highest priced product, then tablet, then monitor. Let's see the functionality of offset fetch next. To fetch first top 3 expensive product, this is the query. Select product name, price from product, order by price DESC. Order by is mandatory here. We are offsetting rows from 0 rows. That means we are starting from the first record of the table and fetching next 3 rows. That means 1, 2, 3 records are going to be fetched. First 3 records have been fetched. And next, we'll check this query. Here we are offsetting the rows from 3 rows. That means after 3 we have to get another 3 records. That means 4, 5, 6 records we have to fetch. This way we can fetch next 3 records. And let's see the third. Get the top 3 expensive products. That means we are offsetting rows at 6. That means 7, 8, 9 records have to be displayed. But in table we have only 7 records. That means page 3 will contain only 1 record. If we are having 9 records, then it will fetch 3. We are having only 1 record in page 3, then it's going to display it. Let's see. Mouse is the 7th product. That will be displayed in 3rd page. Why? Because we have offset the rows at 6 and we are selecting next 3 records. We have only 7 records in the table. That's why we got 1 record in the offset 6. Then 7th record, 8th, 9th will be displayed in such a way 7th record has been displayed over here. This is how the top and offset fetch next are different in their ways and functionalities. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.